Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Daisy. Fall is already here, and what better way to celebrate it than by creating a personalized gift set with unique and super fast designs. Today, I want to show you how easy it is to design in Kittl. In seconds, you can have beautiful illustrations ready to personalize. With these designs, I have created a full gift set that includes a sweatshirt, a tote bag, and a 20-ounce skinny tumbler, all sublimated super quickly. You're going to love how easy it is for you to do it too. So let's get started. In case you don't know yet, Kittl is an online design platform that allows you to create illustrations, text, and personalized projects in a super fast and professional way. Let's go. Let me show you how easy it is to create a personalized gift set for fall, Christmas, or any occasion with Kittl. From the main page, we have several super useful features. For example, Kittl Flows, AI image generator, vectorizer, background remover, and many more. I especially love the background remover for my DTF print. My favorites in Kittl are Kittl Flows, AI image generator, and vectorizer because they allow me to transform a design in seconds that I can use to personalize with different techniques like DTF, sublimation, cutting machines like Cricut, low-click, laser machines, etc. Now I'm going to create a full gift set in less than 20 minutes, including the 3 custom items. The fastest way is to use the images that Kittl already has. I just search for fall and tons of beautiful ideas pop up. I select the one I like the most and I can use it as is, which is the fastest way. As you can see, this design is made of several parts. We can easily adapt it. For example, use only the card with pumpkins and flowers, or change the text to the phrase we want. That quickly, we already have a design ready to print and personalize with the technique of our choice. DTF, sublimation, vinyl, etc. In a moment, I'll show you how to download and prepare it for different projects. And if you want to take it a step further, you can easily improve it with the new Kittl Flows feature. Simply select the design, go up, and select Smartboard. It will create a new workspace called Smartboard. On the right, you will see a rectangle where you can type in the description of how you would like to modify the design. Here, I'm going to write to change the color to pink tones. Press Generate. Wait a few seconds, and here we have our design in pink tones. I also created others to show you. Depending on the description you give, that's how it generates the design. That way I can customize it to my style. We could also remove text if we want, or modify the text as well. Just type it into the description or prompt and done. Now, if you already have a design on your computer but you're not completely satisfied with it and would like to modify it to your liking, we can also do that. Here I have a design I downloaded online, but I am not completely happy with it, so I'm going to modify it while keeping the full pumpkin theme. Click Upload, Upload Design. Select the design and place it on the canvas. Adjust the size, select the canvas, and then on the right, a little arrow will appear. Click it, and then you'll see a Smart Canvas option. On the right side, A column will appear where you can type in the description of how you want to modify the design. I wrote, make it dreamy, delicate, bigger flowers, pink and coral watercolor style, and generate. In just a few seconds, we already have a design inspired by the original, but at the same time, different and unique. It's so lovely, subtle, soft, and charming. Now I will create another smart canvas and give it the prompt to remove the text and generate. And here it is. This way we can add the text we want. Now I will select the canvas and convert it to an image. Then I will duplicate it and remove the background. After that, I can add the text I want. I can do this using the text feature in Kittl, or I can keep using Flow. Just type the prompt, add text, and done. Now, let me quickly show you another way to create designs in seconds. With this tool, we can generate designs from scratch using artificial intelligence, and we'll have them ready in seconds for sublimation, DTF, Cricut, laser, etc. Here are my favorite styles I use for my designs, but there are many more you can choose from. My favorite is the watercolor style, like this one with the little cat. At the top, we can type the prompt description of the design we want. For example, here I type dreamy, delicate fall illustration with pumpkins surrounded by elegant, subtle flowers and leaves. Press generate. And in seconds, we have the design. It's beautiful and perfect for fall. Now I will select the canvas and generate a smartboard. This feature in Kittl is called Flows, and I love it. In the right panel, I will type a prompt and add text that says Fall Vibes. Press Generate and done. With this feature, we can create very pretty and quick designs. You can modify, add, or remove text easily. Here's the design with the text. Fall Vibes. It looks beautiful. I will select it, convert it to an image, then remove the background, and it's ready to download. Print and start personalizing. If you don't like the auto-generated text, you can also do it yourself with the text and font features in Kittl. For example, I will duplicate this design to show you quickly how to add text. Click the T on the left toolbar, type your text, and in the right panel, choose the font that best matches the design. You can also change the color, add a background, or an outline to the text, and done. I have created 4 designs. One to personalize a sweatshirt, another one for a tote bag, and 2 for 20-ounce skinny tumblers. I made them super fast thanks to all the smart features in Kittl. That's why I love Kittl. It saved me so much time when creating designs for my personalized projects. These particular ones I made for a fall gift set. As I mentioned, I will be personalizing a sweatshirt, a tote bag, and a 20-ounce skinny tumbler. Now let me show you how to download them. Select all the canvases, then click the arrow at the top right, which is the download option. Choose inches, then PNG or your preferred format. Remove the background and download them in high quality, between 200 and 300 dpi. This way, we will have the design ready on our computer to print and personalize with the technique we like best. For example, I am going to create this gift set with sublimation. So far, I have taken 10 minutes because I showed you 3 techniques in detail. But if we only use one, we can have the signs ready in seconds. To personalize 3 products with sublimation, the complete process will take me about 10 minutes. With other techniques, it might be a little less or a little more. Overall, with Kittl, we can create super fast, personalized items and save a lot of time in our projects. I will leave the Kittl link in the description of this video in case you would like to check it out. You can also find many tutorials about Kittl on my channel, since it's one of my favorite design platforms. Now that we have the design on the computer, we can print them using any program we want. I'm going to use Inkscape. I will open the design, adjust the size, then go to print. Select the Sublimation printer, more options, and here in paper type, choose Premium Presentation Paper Matte. Then more options. And here it's important to select Mirror Mode. Always remember to print sublimation designs in mirror mode. Press OK and print. Here is a preview of how it will print. If everything looks good, press print and go to the printer. This is an Epson EcoTank ET15000 with sublimation ink. If you would like to learn how to convert an Epson EcoTank into a sublimation printer, I invite you to watch my YouTube videos. There, I show you the whole process so you can start making your first sublimation projects. Here we already have the print. If you see that the colors look faded, don't worry. Sublimation ink activates with heat. Now I will start with the first personalized item. I'm going to press this design onto a 20-ounce skinny tumbler. First, I'll cut around the design using a guillotine, but you can also use scissors. Then, I'll wrap the tumbler and secure it tightly with heat-resistant tape, making sure it's nice and snug. After that, using my automatic heat press from HTV Round, I will press it at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 seconds. The best part is I don't need to rotate it because with this press, one press is enough. If you would like to know more about this press, I will leave the link in the description of this video. Once it's done, let it cool before removing the wrap. And look how beautiful the personalized tumbler turned out. I love this pumpkin design that we created in Kittl. The colors are gorgeous. Well, this is only the first part of this fall gift set. Now let's move on to the second personalized item, a tote bag. First, I'll press it for 10 seconds to remove the wrinkles. Then I will clean it with a lint roller. After that, I will place parchment paper or a Teflon layer inside the bag to prevent the bag from getting stained. Since this is a gift, I'm going to use the same design as on the tumbler so it all matches. I will just change the text and size, of course. I will place the design and secure it with heat-resistant tape to avoid movement and ghosting. This is optional, but I always like to do it to make sure the design comes out perfect. Now I will press it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 seconds using my HTV Round automatic press. Before pressing, I like to place a Teflon layer on top of the design to protect the fabric. Here we have the design already sublimated. Look how beautiful the tote bag turned out. Gorgeous! The colors are stunning, and in just minutes we personalize it with the design we created in Kittl. Now let's move on to the third and last personalized item for this fall gift set, the sweatshirt. I printed this design a little larger than letter size. I used a 13 by 19 inches sublimation paper. I have the sweatshirt. First, I will clean it with a lint roller and press it for 10 seconds to remove the wrinkles. Then, I will place the print on it. In this case, I'm not going to use heat-resistant tape. Hopefully, it doesn't move. On top of the design, I will place a Teflon layer and I will press at the same temperature we used with the tote bag, 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 seconds. And done. Here we have the personalized sweatshirt. Look how beautiful it turned out. This fall gift set looks so lovely and everything was made super fast thanks to the designs created in Kittl. Look how beautiful all the personalized items turned out. This will be our gift set. A 20-ounce skinny tumbler, a sweatshirt, and a tote bag with a fall design. All so pretty. Besides creating super fast designs in Kittl, we can also make professional mockups to showcase our projects in a sales portfolio. Perfect if you have a personalized product business. And like I mentioned before, you don't need design experience. Making them is super easy. Just select the canvas and at the top, choose Create Mockup. There, you can pick the item you want to promote. For example, here I have a tote bag. Adjust the size and that's it. You can download it in high quality directly to your computer or your phone. The best part is you have so many options: bags, hoodies, tumblers, hats, and pretty much anything you can imagine. Look, with this tumbler design, I can also create a mockup in seconds and have it ready to showcase in my catalog. And besides the mockups in the gallery, you can also create your own custom mockups with the flow feature. Just select the canvas, create a smart canvas, and on the right, type the description of what you want. For example, create a mockup of a woman wearing a white sweatshirt with this design and a fall theme background. In seconds, you will have a professional, unique, and beautiful mockup perfect for your catalog. This is a huge advantage for those of us who have a personalized business because we can present our products professionally without needing a physical example. Now I will quickly pack the gift so you can see how easy it is to personalize items for your store, or even if you are just making them to give as gift to your loved ones. And we were able to create all this thanks to the super fast designs made with Kittl. I will leave the link to Kittl in the description of this video in case you would like to learn more about this wonderful design platform. If you enjoyed this video, I invite you to subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.